Hey y'all, this is a quick comparison video between two Govee products. There's the Govee Lite 3 system, which is 3 different lights. There's the LED strip in the back that goes all the way around, and then there's the LED bars here and here. And then there's the normal one, which only has the LED strip. So the Govee TV Backlight and the Govee TV Backlight 3 three-piece or 3-light system. There are a bunch of differences, and there's a lot more similarities. So one of the major differences that I've noticed, here's the camera for the single-piece system, the single piece being the LED strip that goes in the back, and you can see that it's got 2 cameras here, and this is a pretty hefty thing. The weight is mostly in here as kind of a counterweight, and you'll see that the other one here only has a single camera, kind of a fisheye lens setup. Here's just them side by side, and you can kind of see my ring light in there, but this one is a lot bigger and heftier. Not that that's a big deal, but I believe they upgraded to this one after this one. Maybe they have a better calibration system, which is, in fact, one of the things I noticed in the app. So there's an app, there's a Govee app that will detect the product that you're using, or you can set it up manually. And basically, the settings for this product are more in depth than the ones for the system that comes with this. They're basically exactly the same, by the way. The only difference in how it functions are this one has extra light that projects on either side, but that basically opens up a lot more in the app itself. This one has more settings that'll react to music. There's more light settings. There's more options for how you want the lights to look. You can open up the app yourself. You can download it. The Govee app has millions of downloads. I can't go into every single setting, but there are quite a few substantial differences. On the power control box itself, that's this little thing. On this one, which is the one-piece system, just the LED strip, this has 2 USB-C cables, one that connects to the LED strip, and the other one which connects to, I'm not exactly sure, the camera. That's it. And this one has 3 to connect to the bars on either side, the camera, and the LED strip. This one also has a 4 amp power cable here, whereas the other one has this, which is a 3 amp. So it just requires a little bit more power. So other than that, not much difference. If the cost difference is not too much, I recommend going with the 3-piece one for that extra light and those extra settings. There's also the ability to have it turn off when you want. There's a bunch of other ones. Basically, it adds a bit more to the experience, but if the cost difference is too substantial, the first one is perfectly good. The light difference between them isn't that drastic. Sometimes there are a bit glitchy with the lights. They'll lag a bit sometimes. They won't follow as quickly as what's on screen, or it won't detect the color as well. That's probably just a feature with the calibration, both of which use these orange things that go in the corners, and it calibrates. They both calibrate relatively the same way. They're pretty similar products at the end of the day. Just choose which one you think will fit your TV. I happen to like this kind of product. It kind of sits there, you don't notice it, and then when you're looking for some extra backlight glow, you turn the settings on, how you like it, and it kind of adds to the ambiance of the movie or television show that you're watching. I made 2 other videos about these products, more in depth, so definitely check those out. Those will be linked here, or down below, or somewhere. You can find them, I'm sure. I'm proud of you if you can find them. Anyway, that'll be all for this comparison. Again, they're pretty similar products. They're almost exactly the same. One has just the bars and the different camera and the extra powerful settings, and the other one, less than that, but they basically still do the same thing. I'm curious to know what you think, if you have one, and how much you enjoy it, or if you enjoy it at all. And that'll be it for this one. All right, thanks guys.